Okay, he dives, he fields, he saves the ball. Okay, he exerts himself, training day in, day out. But if he fails, doesn't mean it's a failure of his character. Even the best of the sportsmen have failed. The best of leaders have failed. Okay, but my personal, desire is you should be putting efforts which you think is what you're capable of. अगर उतना कर लोगे, it doesn't matter whether you win or fail. So whether you win or fail, whether you qualify or not, should not be the basis of coming and meeting me and seeking any support you need. Because some people say, sir, qualify नहीं कर पाए prelims, तो आपसे क्या आंखें मिलाते? This is why. अगर ये criteria होता तो I am a failure, no? Okay, I gave my 4 attempts. Okay, all the teachers who are here, they are failures in that case. फिर तो हम किसी को मूल दिखाने लायक नहीं. For that matter, हमारी मजाल कि आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं. Okay, that's not how it is. Your success depends on many things. The only thing I don't want you to compromise is your efforts. तो आप fail करो नहीं करो, it is not a statement on your character. फेल कर लिया तो अब मुंह दिखाने लायक नहीं है, और क्वालिफाई कर लिए तो पर निकल आए हैं. वो भी सही बात नहीं है. Either ways, have a commitment and see this examination. I sincerely pray that you qualify the examination with a sense of social responsibility. This is not a job. This is not an employment, program by the government. This is actually a service. हम भी जब पढ़ाते हैं, this is something I tell myself, that I am not a regular businessman. I'm not a regular person who is having a job and I come to perform a job here. अगर job ही करना होता ना, I would not have digressed a single word beyond your syllabus. पर उसमें मुझे एनर्जी नहीं आती है. जॉब करने जा रहे हैं, is big deal. But the moment I tell myself that I am among students who, if I can inspire, can change the face of the society, and you can do it. The moment I tell myself it will be among a system, part of a process which can shape the destiny of millions, that gives a lot of energy. फिर हम थके हैं, बीमार हैं, whether I'm disinterested, I can't afford to ignore your efforts and your presence. I am sure many of you in the class will qualify. If not proper IAS, you will be in some service or the other. And you will be doing a lot of work. पहला 4-5 साल, maybe you are in a different posting. The moment you enter the 10th or 12th year of your career, you are into high-level policy making. You are deciding the fate of the millions in the country. तो इस काम को भी उसी spirit से लिया करो. You are here for service, and the government will more than take care of all your basic needs. Basic housing, education, security, amenities, orderly, सब मिलेगा आपको. If you don't aspire and become greedy, then the amount of power you have, the amount of support you have is good enough to change a small district's fate. The amount of power you will have, it's good enough to change the future of a small community. And that's a God gift, I tell you. तो उस स्पिरिट से काम करो. This is perhaps the source of all motivation. Why do you do things that you do? It must be a calling from within. उसमें अगर आप God forbid IAS में फेल भी कर जाते हो ना, you will not become despondent. You will not lose heart. You will not even become arrogant. Because the service is the spirit that we want you to grow with. उस जज्बे से लेकर चलो, with that kind of passion, and you will not be short of jobs, trust me. आप जितना भी घटिया काम कर लो ना, आपको jobs मिलेगा. And God forbid, I don't want to sound immodest here. If nothing works out, come back, we will work together. This is a वेरी बिग इंडस्ट्री, और इसमें सही माने में सही लोग बहुत कम हैं. A lot of us who want to do things, we can't do because we don't have support systems. हम अकेले ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकते. So, God forbid, if nothing else clicks, okay, you are desperate, okay, even during a preparation, immediate abhi nahi, okay, maybe second year, if you want to look for support, you can always come to me. We'll have some work or the other. Okay, I can support you with your basic expenses, your room rent and your food, and you can keep on studying while you also earn. So job should not be the factor to demoralize you. और आपको जॉब मिलेगा. आज तक किसी को मैंने नहीं देखा who has studied for UPSC, has no jobs and is roaming on the streets and begging for food. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You will get a much better job, and for the next 4-5 years you should only be studying. आप क्वालिफाई भी करते हो ना, तब भी पढ़ाई जारी रखना. These are those days, where education pays. आपका प्रमोशन भी मैटर करेगा if you have got good degrees with you, good trainings. Government of India will sponsor you to go and study in the best of the institutions in the world. Ivy League colleges में हमारा कोटा है. We sponsor those college programs, some of them. So you will be on governments. Of course, you have to work for 15 years approximately before you qualify for that. So पढ़ाई छोड़ना मत. It's a part of your life. जितना पढ़ोगे, that much of power you will have. Not classic case of power controlled by information and knowledge. So for 4-5 years तक आपको कुछ नहीं देखना है. Qualify, ऐसे ही मिलाकर 2 साल हो जाएगा आपका. And even after that, you probably would want to continue some studies or the other. Job आपके दिमाग में आना नहीं चाहिए. Of course, if you have a family condition where they depend on you for survival, okay, then I can understand. It's a compulsion. It's unfortunate, okay, that you must juggle both. But ठीक है, no complaints there. Every family, every person has some constraint or the other. But job नहीं मिलेगा shouldn't be the criteria कि सर time waste हो रहा है, हम qualify नहीं कर पा रहे. Don't think of that. This is a part of your grooming, your personality. I pray you become good citizens, good human beings. The most or the least, rather, I'll say, that we expect out of you is your conduct. With your knowledge and humility, if you can see the problems of poverty, underdevelopment, challenges, security, वो sensitivity के साथ काम करना, you will be an exemplary officer. About just 2 weeks ago, I met an old student of mine, a young boy, just joined किया है, 2 साल हुआ है. But because of his study, he is a master trainer of some sections in Mussoorie. And he trains senior IAS officers also. He has some experience. Okay, a person from non-IT background. Challenge था कि sir, I want to learn data analytics and how some things are done. He is now he was sent to Noida. He has superseded 5 seniors of his and just joined 3 years ago. तो अगर knowledge आपके साथ रहेगा and the spirit of service, the world will recognize you. I mean, ultimately, if I see your ambition boils down to these 2 very important things: the power you'll get and the social status you will have, immense. But don't stop there. Do something more. And with that spirit, if you study, energy कहाँ से मिलता है? Energy बाहर से नहीं मिलेगा. Energy will come from your soul, which keeps reminding you the enormity of the challenge in front of you. You keep telling yourself the kind of work you want to do, that will motivate you even when you are tired. Okay? So keep this work on. Be sincere with yourself. And I'll say, for some time, cut yourself off from the regular world. मैंने पहले कहा है आपको. If you are with the regular world, you will be distracted. And none of you here are actually regular people. Your ambitions are not regular. Your expectations are not regular. Your efforts are not regular. कौन इस उम्र में बताओ, who's studying for 4.5 months with winter, summer, food problems, housing problems, कौन इतना struggle करता है बताओ? Most of them would want a job and settle down. Some of you have quit your jobs, no? You're professional graduates, most of you here. Most of you can get a convenient job. So the fact that you can sacrifice all of that, comfort and surety, and start this process of uncertainty tells me you have some character in you. आप regular लोग हो ही नहीं. So accordingly, try developing a circle around you who can support you, who can motivate you. हम एक article पढ़े थे some couple of days ago. The successful people have 2-3 types of people around them. There's one category of people who motivate them. The one category of people who collaborate with them. The one category of people who find their flaws also. Good feedbacks are very, very important. Somebody must be there to tell you honestly कि ये काम गलत हो रहा है. Not to criticize you. It is what we call as devil's advocates. Okay? So you must have these 3-4 people with you. Some people who can cooperate with you. Some people who motivate you emotionally. Some people who collaborate and work with you. And some people who find the flaws in what you do. So if you can find a group around you who can do this, they are the sure shot formula for success. But होता क्या है? We end up being with people who only demotivate and misguide you. जो कहते हैं सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, but the fact is they are very shallow people. The kind of words they speak and the kind of discourse that they have. और आपको पता होता है generally कि which person is a shallow person. But comfort levels में you end up being with them. You are not carrying anybody's emotional luggage. अच्छा लगे नहीं लगे, the guy is not supporting you, you will break links with him. मुझे आपके साथ बैठना नहीं है, बात नहीं, क्या करे वो? You say I don't want to sit with you, that's all. What will you do? He'll talk behind you a couple of times, okay, and then you will not see him. And if you qualify, the same guy will say, he was my friend. Okay, so छोटा मोटा impressions don't matter at all. Okay, so garner whatever support you can from around you, and I'm always there. I said if I'm not contactable, leave SMS, I'll get back. Okay, the pleasure was all mine. All the best, and hope to see you, but in different circumstances. Okay, more successful, probably more motivated. Okay, chalo.